Attention AI enthusiasts, are you ready to explore the next level of artificial intelligence tools? In this video, we dive into the top 5 AI tools that outshine the popular ChatGPT and Midjourney. Get ready to discover cutting-edge technologies that are revolutionizing the AI landscape and taking into a new era of innovation. One of these 5 is very special and awesome, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Sajimal and I am a final year engineering student at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Vadodara, and an upcoming software engineer at one of the biggest companies in India. And on this channel, I create videos related to web development, tutorials, tips and tricks, and other informative videos for students and working professionals in tech. So if you are interested in these topics, make sure you subscribe to this channel. So one of the first tool is Runway AI. Runway AI is a platform that provides tools and resources for artists, designers, and creatives to explore and create using artificial intelligence. It aims to make AI more accessible and user-friendly for individuals without extensive technical expertise. Runway AI offers a variety of AI models and algorithms that can be used for tasks such as image generation, style transfer, object detection, and natural language processing. These models are typically pre-trained on large datasets and can be fine-tuned or used as is to generate new content or enhancing existing media. The platform provides a visual interface and coding environment that allows users to interact with the AI model, manipulate parameters, and experiment with different input and output. It also offers tutorials, documentation, and supportive community to help users learn and explore the possibility of AI in their creative work. Runway AI has gained popularity among artists, designers, and creative professionals who are interested in incorporating AI into their work. It has been used for various projects, including generating artwork, designing characters, creating music, and developing interactive installations. So all of the links will be in the description. You can check them out on the link in the description. So our next tool is Descript. Descript is an innovative platform that combines video editing with powerful artificial intelligence capabilities. It aims to revolutionize the way video content is created, edited, and shared. Descript AI utilizes advanced speech recognition and natural language processing algorithms to transcribe audio and video files automatically. This transcription feature is a game changer for video editing, as it allows users to edit their videos by simply editing the text. Users can easily make the changes to the transcript, and those changes will automatically be reflected in the corresponding video footage. One of the standout features of Descript AI is its ability to generate realistic text-to-speech voices that sound remarkably human-like. This feature enables users to replace or modify audio in their videos using AI-generated voices, saving time and effort compared to traditional voiceover recording. The platform also offers a range of traditional video editing tools such as trimming, splitting, and rearranging clips, adding captions and titles, and applying transition and effects. Additionally, Descript AI integrates with popular video conferencing platforms, allowing users to import recorded meetings or interviews directly into the editor. Descript AI supports collaborative editing, enabling multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. It provides version control and the ability to leave comment and annotation, facilitating the efficient teamwork and streamlining the editing process. Furthermore, Descript AI includes features like background noise removal, audio leveling, and automatic transcription syncing, enhancing the overall editing experience. Our next tool is Poised. Introducing Poised, your AI-powered communication coach. Poised is an innovative AI-powered communication coach designed to empower you with the confidence and clarity in your speech. In the first era of workplaces, Poised became an essential tool, ensuring private and secure feedback tailored to your needs. With Poised, you receive a real-time feedback on various aspects of your communication, from identifying the words you use most frequently to recognizing filler words, accessing your confidence, energy, empathy, and much more. Poised covers it all. The best part: your uses of Poised remain completely discreet and confidential. Gone are the days of wondering how you perform in important meetings. Poised enable you to track your progress, analyze speech trends over time by providing valuable insights into your speaking pattern. Poised helps you continuously improve your communication skills. Personalization is at the core of Poised. It offers a personalized plan to enhance your speaking ability, incorporating access to curated learning content developed by Poised experts. These resources are tailored specifically to your needs, ensuring a truly customized learning experience. Whether you are a founder preparing for interviews, working in sales, or managing products, Poised caters to everyone seeking to evaluate their communication skills. Seamless integration is another advantage of Poised. It works harmoniously with over 800 communication tools, including popular platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. Wherever you work, Voice is there to provide its invaluable insights and support. Next AI tool is Assembly. Assembly AI is an intelligent team assistant that transforms your professional meeting. It transcribes conversations, captures meeting notes, and generates valuable insights. With Assembly, you will never miss important actions, decisions, issues, risks, event, or requirements. Gone are the days of manual note taking. Assembly records and organizes meeting notes while you focus on the discussion. It creates comprehensive notes for easy reference. Finding information from past meeting is effortless. Assembly turns meeting into a searchable records, allowing you to quickly search by keyword, key item, or attendee. Recalling past meeting is made easy with accurate transcription, speaker identification, and the ability to clear filler words. Timestamp notes and bookmark help you navigate the content. Assembly generates smart meeting summaries, providing an overview of discussed topics and details. Even if you can't attend a meeting, Assembly has you covered. Send Assembly as a representative and review meeting notes later. Automate follow-up with customizable meeting minute template. Assembly integrates with popular platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, automatically attending and recording meetings. Experience Assembly an AI assistant that can answer questions and generate professional email responses based on meeting discussions. Assembly AI revolutionizes meeting productivity, making notes, organizations, and collaboration seamless and efficient. And our last AI tool is Leonardo AI. Experience the power of Leonardo AI, the ultimate tool for creating stunning game assets using artificial intelligence. You may sign up for exclusive early bird access and unlock the ability to craft worlds in minutes, not months. With Leonardo AI, they provide you with cutting-edge artist tooling that gives you unprecedented control over the generation of game assets. Their market-leading features are designed to streamline your creative process and bring your vision to the life. Rapidly ideate and bring your ideas to fruition with ease. Leonardo AI allows you to create unique, production-ready assets using pre-trained AI model or by training your own model tailored to your specific needs. But Leonardo AI is not just limited to visual assets. They are building a generative content production platform that goes beyond visuals. Their creative studios will empower you to unleash your creativity and explore the unlimited potential of generative content. Experience a fast, easy, and artist-friendly workflow with Leonardo AI. Utilizing existing AI models to generate a wide range of production-ready art assets, saving you valuable time and effort. Take control of your creative process by training your own AI model in just few clicks. You can train your model using your own data and generate thousands of variations and deviations. Iterate to your heart's content, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in game asset creation. Discover the unlimited potential of Leonardo AI with create a universe with infinite possibilities in a matter of minutes. With seamless iteration and consistent low-cost style, Leonardo AI is truly a game changer in the world of game asset creation. Don't miss out this opportunity to revolutionize your game development workflow. Sign up now for exclusively early bird access to Leonardo.ai and unlock your new level of creativity and efficiency in the crafting stunning game asset. Also, you can use Leonardo for just like the Midjourney. But Leonardo is, I guess, from my opinion, it's far more better than Midjourney. It gives you more tools and more control over your images. I have also created videos on 10 AI proof careers in 2023, how to get paid Udemy courses for free, month stack projects. Browse through my YouTube channel and you will find many more videos which you might find useful and you should watch next. Bye.